Hello everyone, welcome to Gyan Amrit coaching. News headlines for school morning assembly of 10th of May. First from national news, Sam Pitroda steps down as the chairman of Indian Overseas Congress. Indian Overseas Congress chairman Sam Pitroda has stepped down after his remarks on diversity of India found unfortunate and unacceptable. Second news is Arvind Kejriwal gets interim bail for 21 days. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal gets interim bail from the Supreme Court and asked to produce on 2nd June, uh, a day after election routine ends. International news, USA stops sending arms and weapons to Israel as fighting rages around Rafah border. USA has stopped its arms supply to its ally Israel as fighting rages around Rafah and around 10,000 people have left Rafah since Monday. Chinese former defense minister appears in public after long absence. Chinese former defense minister Jan Wei Feng, whose long absence from the public view sparked a speculation about his fate, has resurfaced, suggesting that he was politically safe. Thank you.